Hey everyone, welcome to another video and welcome to our view for the night. Yes, this is our view for the night from the campsite that we're staying in Switzerland. Now we're staying here for one day and then we're continuing our European road trip because we're staying in Switzerland now for a few weeks. This is the second campsite that we've stayed at on our trip and this gives us a chance to get everything charged up and have a shower because, yeah, you know, keeping clean in a camp van, you know, it can be done, but nothing beats having a shower. So now the thing is, when we booked this campsite, one thing that we didn't realise is that it would have a view like this. So this is a really good like bonus for us. So what we're going to do, we're going to relax for a little bit. I'll give you a tour of the campsite in this video, and you know what, for now we're just going to relax and take this in before we have some food. Right, it's time to have a bit of a nosy around here because I've been sat just chilling out really, so well, that's what holidays are about. So the toilet block is just in front of us there, so that's the first place that I'm going.
How much extra room he gets. Look, just look at that. He gets all of that, and I get the edge of the bed.
It's movie time. See you in the morning. Hey everyone, what an amazing night we've had at this campsite. Peaceful, relaxing and waking up to a view like this. Now today is a day that I've been waiting for a long time, so let's get on the road and I'll tell you more about it. So today we're going to Verbier. Now Verbier is a like little village. I think it might be like a ski resort. Now the reason that we're going over there is tonight we're going to be looking for somewhere that we can possibly well camp. It's just over an hour away from the campsite that we stayed at. But there's a thing called the Gumball Rally that's going on at the moment, and it's all like supercars and things now. Something that I've wanted to see for a long time, and it just so happens to be that we're only an hour away from it, so we've got to go and have a look, so let's do this.
Come talk to me. I love the way you're on to me. Looking at you, looking like you're wondering if we're here for the same reason. And now that you wanna lay in the sun, getting love drunk, sticking like honey. Yeah, I bet you're here for some fun, but there's someone feeling that something. If you're looking for a good time,
Got to get a view of these mountain roads, so look at this, look at this. That's amazing. And do you know what? It still goes a lot higher, yeah. You can see all the mountains there. What's up?
It's a bit high.
Yeah, Brooke's scared of heights and that, so right, we're gonna keep going up there in a minute. So we're at Verbier now, and we are at the right place where the Gumball Rally is, so really excited about that. And it is happening today, well, in a few hours, because they're actually all the supercars, they're on their way now. Now we found some parking, just like a little bit like further away from like the centre, but we're only like a couple of minutes walk out from there.
Yeah.
But the issue is, it's absolutely chucking it down, so don't really fancy going out in that just yet. So hopefully the rain will disappear in a little bit, because yeah. So the rain's gone off now, so we're going to take Thor for a little bit of a walk, have a bit of a nosy. I think we might be doing a stealth camp here tonight, but we're going to have to wait and see about that. But yeah, let you know about that after. Right, let's go for a walk in Verbier now. So guys, we're going to be going for a walk around here, and you know what, we're going to end this video here because it's been quite long. Obviously we stayed at the campsite last night. So if you want to see more about this Gumball Rally and see more about Verbier, then you need to hit that subscribe button and check out next week's video. So really strange, and I've asked some locals, they don't know nothing about it. Someone has come along and it looks like chalk, and they put like a mark across my tyre.
You can tell that Tom's not been to the gym for a little while, because every time we find somewhere